What's up, guys? So this is the review on the $2,000 clutch. It's a twin disc clutch. So this is gonna be the first time I'm driving it, so let's see how it goes. All right, so right away I can tell the engagement, it's like on point, and wow, it kind of pulls a little harder already compared to the ACT clutch that I had. So let's see how we roll out. So we do got the turbo spooling, and the exhaust sounds pretty good. So far the clutch itself feels more engaged, and the engagement point does feel a little bit shorter, but it still kind of feels the same. It's not uncomfortable to drive because it does feel, you know, a little stiffer, but overall like the comfortability, it's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna just take the quick turn and drive a little bit. So I'm still breaking the clutch in. It was recommended that I had to break the clutch in about 1,500 miles. So I'm just gonna honestly drive the car for like about 2 or 3 weeks and see how, you know, if I could do a couple pulls. So right now I'm just going around the block. So far I don't hear no bearing noises. They did say that the clutch itself was going to be a little bit loud. I do hear the clutch a little bit, and it's right when it's about to engage. You only hear it like a little sputter, but after that it kind of, you know, dies off. But overall it's not that loud, like crazy loud, at least. I'm just gonna drive the car for a couple more months, and then, you know, once I see I really haven't had no issues, then yeah, I'm gonna add it to that go ahead and you can buy it list. But as of right now, I'm still going through the breaking point, so we'll see how long it lasts without me, you know. Let's see how long this thing lasts before I break it because knowing me, I break everything. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I should have another video next week on the fuel pump, because I do got a fuel pump. We're gonna be running E85, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, hit me up, Instagram,